1. The future depends on what you do today. 2. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. 3. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. 4. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. 5. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. 6. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. 7. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. 8. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. 9. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. 10. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. 11. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. 12. The greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being humane. 13. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. 14. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. 15. Where there is love, there is life. 16. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. 17. There is more to life than increasing its speed. 18. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. 19. The only tyrant I accept in this world is the still, small voice within. 20. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is the truth. I hope you find these quotes inspiring.